The Tom France Association makes daily life easier for people with disabilities through 3D printing. Let us explain. For 2 days, in a hackathon organized with the support of partner companies and institutions, the Tom France Association puts into practice the concept Tikkun Olam, which literally means repairing the world.
For 48 hours, French tech employees gather with people with disabilities who have identified a very practical challenge in their daily lives. It's always something very concrete. These people who did not know each other will work together for 2 days, resulting in an innovative, accessible, and open-source prototype that will fix the world of the person with a disability who came. But since it is open source, it can fix the world of many people around the world who have the same challenge.
In 2025, 150 participants got involved in 9 concrete projects, like Alexis on Guillaume's project.
I am working on Guillaume's project. He is in an electric wheelchair and has to put on a cape when it rains, but it's not very stylish. So he wanted a nicer solution. So we are developing an electric system for him to deploy, kind of an automatic canopy, so that he can be protected from the rain and still see. We found out that we had 3D printers available, so we thought, let's take advantage of that and make our parts directly and our CAD based on them to be able to create quick and efficient parts right from the start. We made lots of parts. For example, this one, it's a support piece that will allow attaching the motor's arches. We also have the motor adaptation parts to integrate it, the buttons to control the system, and small covers, etc., to make the solution more aesthetic.
This is also the case for Chloe, involved in Giovanni's Poop Buster project, which aims to clean electric wheelchair wheels before returning home.
The challenge is first to adapt to the wheelchair, and as many wheelchairs as possible, knowing that we based ourselves solely on the wheelchair's drive wheels. The person must be able to get on our device without slipping and easily get off, knowing that we have rollers. So we had to find a way to block these rollers to allow for exit, but also to allow the wheels to spin freely and thus clean themselves. We used 3D printing to make the ramp on which Giovanni gets on, and also to make the nozzles. We did it for the nozzles to be able to adapt the number of nozzles we need and have the water projections we want. For the ramp, it was also to have something perfectly suited to our project and for convenience.
Barcha Ramp pedal device for motor skills, improvement of controls and ergonomics of a children's wheelchair, so many projects and challenges that were tackled during this 4th edition of the hackathon, partly thanks to 3D printing.
It's really thanks to 3D printers that we can make innovations quickly and at low cost.